I'm going to walk you guys through how to install a Smart Code 270 by Kwikset today. See if we can get that. Anyway, I'm going to walk you through it. First thing you want to do, have your latch in there. Make sure the word up is upright and the arrow is pointing to the top of the borehole. You want to make sure that this is like smack dab in the center of the borehole, okay? Right in the middle. Another thing they don't talk about enough too is that you need to have your flat blade spindle pointed towards where the hinges are on your door. The hinges are on the left here. I'm going to twist mine to the left. Alright, so there's right and there's left. And then I'm going to flatten it out. Boom, we're ready to go in. I'm going to stick the flat blade through the center here. Put the wiring harness underneath, like so. And you're going to grab your brass mounting plate, put it over the flat blade spindle, put the wiring harness and that little divot on the bottom. Once put them both through the center and then put the wiring harness divot on the bottom, like so. Line the holes up with the latch holes. I don't know if you can see that. Line it up. Start threading your mounting bolts through. A good rule of thumb, tighten to the point of resistance and then stop. If these mounting bolts are too tight, you're gonna get a jamming error, 5 red beeps. Then you test your latch. You can do this one of two ways, with this flat blade back here or with your key. Leave it in the locked position, take your key out. This is important when we're lining up your flat blade here. Click it over to the right till you hear it click. You should have some freedom from 3 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Ideally, sometimes it's 6 o'clock, sometimes it's 12 o'clock, sometimes it's 9 o'clock. But 12 o'clock, hold it at 12 o'clock. Don't forget to plug your wiring harness in. With the bolt extended, you're going to hold your turn piece at 12 o'clock. That's 12 o'clock. That's 12 o'clock. Line those suckers up together and screw it to the door. Insert your AA batteries, alkaline batteries. They recommend Duracell, Rayovac, or Energizer, but right now I have Winco brand. And add your first code, program button 1, check, check. I'll go out and in a couple times and then it's going to flash green if successful. Fall for in-depth programming.